everybody, this is the awesome MCB here, and welcome back to another antivirus test. So we're going to be looking at F-Secure. I've heard good things about this one, but I might as well test it and see how well it performs. So main page, pretty simple. You got just your viruses and scan. If viruses and threats, you can just click the scan on those devices for your F-Secure subscription. And yeah, there's that. And when you want to change settings, it looks quite a bit like a Windows Defender, in my opinion. So, and it does give you quite a bit of extra specific settings you want to disable with one click of a button once you enable authorization to do so. So yeah, let's go ahead and just get right into this. So before we do this test, it looks like that F-Secure wants to install the Microsoft Edge browser extension, so we might as well do that. All right, first link. It was blocked. Second link. Blocked. Third link. Blocked. Fourth link. Blocked. And final link. Blocked. So that was a clean sheet of terms of the link test, so now let's go ahead and do the sample test. We now have our samples. We have 1,425. Let's just do a right-click scan. So you can see here we have 1,351. However, if you looked at the scan during the scan, you could see it scanned more than 2,000 items. So it looks like it's scanned inside of the executable. So let's go ahead and just do handle all and see what it does, if it just infects or just quarantines or deletes them. Okay, harmful items cleaned, 1,221 out of the 1,351. Let's see what is going on. So it looks like some of these couldn't be cleaned up, and 92 weren't scanned, which is very odd. Yeah, then you could see here that some of these were completely skipped. Let's go ahead and try scanning the folder again and see if we can clean it up. Okay, it scanned another 4 items. What happens if we... Let's go ahead and just quarantine all of these. Now it couldn't get 2 out of the 4. Let's try again. You can actually see the amount of files that it's scanning, even though there's only 88 in there. Well, it says there's no harmful items, so I guess that's that. So we have 88 samples left, and it looks like a lot of them did not have the code. Maybe some of them looks like their code could have been removed. But we'll do this second. Well, after as soon as we do the second test, we'll do the judge of that. But for right now, it stands with 88 items left. That's a detection ratio of 93.8%, that's pretty impressive. So let's go ahead and turn on the shields and see what happens when we execute these. F-Secure's back on. Alright, we got everything running, and it's a little bit missed on the desktop. Let's see if we can close all these. It looks like a lot of them could have just been cleaned. I seem to can't get this one closed. Let me check and see if I can get this force closed. There we go. That's better. So with everything closed, we can see that there's one sample left. I was unable to delete it after deleting all of these. And so I'm going to go ahead and reboot, run BleachBit, and then we'll run the second opinion scanners. Now that we're rebooted into Windows, let's see if we can actually delete this last sample that I did not want to. Okay, it's gone. So let me go ahead and run BleachBit now, and then we'll run the second opinion scanners. What I've noticed now, whenever I try to start Task Manager, it has to come up with administrative privileges, which is a little concerning. We have a clean sheet. The only thing that Hitman Pro is detecting is the VirtualBox suspicious items, so those do not count, and they are false positives, of course. And a tracking cookie. Malwarebytes found process hacker, which is also not part of this test. So, in a way, we have a clean sheet. So I'm very impressed with this project. I can see why Leo puts it in the A tier on his video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, the link to that video will be down in the description below. But yeah, very solid project, and yeah, I hope you will have enjoyed this AV test, and if you have enjoyed it, be sure to like button down below, and if you're new around here, be sure to subscribe button and hit that bell icon, and I will talk to you all later.